in our English seminar. So, good evening, everyone. And today our topic is about trend theory. My name is Jessie, and I hope you can learn many methods from this course. Okay. So firstly, let's see today's course important notes. The first one, make a big profit by following the trend. So can you tell me recently the market is in the uptrend or downtrend or in sideways? Now it is in sideways because we can judge from the point. You can see the 2 point and the low point. And the homely candlestick reflects the profitability of the stock market sufficiently, which can expedite decisions. So this is a homely candlestick. So maybe later I will show you what the homely candlestick. So the next one, weekly candlestick can grasp the price trend, and daily candlestick can choose the timing of the trading. Therefore, the short-term trading only increase trading costs while ultimately unprofitable. So we know that if we want to make a big profit, we do short-term trading or medium long-term investment. If you want to make a big profit, long-term is the best, right? If you do short-term trading, I think you buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Your commission is too high. Your commission broker fee is too high. The next one, trend analysis, is the most important analytical method. The best software is based on the core of trend analysis, such as homely signal. So later I will show you what the homely signal is. The last one, support and resistance of the trend are the important basic concepts, and you can use different analysis methods, such as trend line. Okay. So this is the important note. So firstly, let's see the main content of today's course. The first one, the basic concept of trend. The next one, the characteristics of trend. The third one, support and resistance. I will show you how to judge the support and resistance. The next one, the conversion of support and resistance. The last one, the trading strategy of support and resistance. So this is the main content of today's course, and I hope you can learn this method. Okay, so firstly, let's see this chart. Why I use this chart? Because you can see this chart can help us to judge the important bottom and the top. Okay, so we can see here, this is the bottom right, and this is the, we can judge the bottom and top from the, by the chart pattern, by the candlestick, right? So this is the important bottom. This is another one. So if we know that this is the important bottom, and we should draw the line because we know that this is the big support and the resistance. Okay, so we can see here. Now this is the monthly chart, and here this is the sell point. This is the bottom. This is another bottom. Okay. So what that meaning? From the chart, you should get some conclusion. The conclusion is like that. The market always generates in despair, rising in hesitation, extinction in the wild. So if you want to operate, if you see many investors talk about stocks, so you should be cautious. You should pay more attention to the risk. If no one talk about stocks, you know that maybe they have some chance. Okay, so this is the conclusion. So later, at the end of this course, I will teach you good methods, and it's very helpful for judge the buy and sell point. Okay, so this is the conclusion. So firstly, before the class, let's judge the STI index. This is the STI index, so we can see the market. Just now, I mentioned that what's the trend? The market is in uptrend or downtrend or in sideways. Okay, so from if we know that long-term trend about 1 year, right? Medium trend is around several months to 1 year. Okay, if the short-term trend 6 to 10 days. Okay, So we can see here, this is the overall trend. This is the STI index. So we can see this is the high point, high point, high point, high point. So the main trend is in the downtrend or uptrend. It's the downtrend because the high point is lower. So this is a downtrend. And we see here, this is so we see recently the trend is downtrend or uptrend. This is the low point, another low point. This is another low point. So we see here, the trend is in the uptrend or downtrend. For short term, it's uptrend. So how to judge the short term? We can see here. This is several months. So this is a medium term uptrend, right? Okay. So we can see here. This is a high point, another high point. But we see here, the high point is higher than previous. Then the low point is lower or higher. It's lower. So it tells us that recently the market is in sideways area. Okay, so how to judge the support and resistance? If you use some indicators to judge the STI index, maybe we can use time black hole. So we see here, why I use time black hole? Because time black hole can help us to judge the turning point. So if you see the time black hole appears, it tells you that this is a turning point. Okay, so we see here. So we can see here, this is a turning point. So the time black hole can help us to judge the turning point and also can help us to judge the support and resistance. So we can see here, this is a time black hole. If you see the price, so we can draw the line. If you see the price, the candlestick fall below this one, down this line, so it tells us that the trend is not good. You should sell out your stock. So we can see here, the time black hole appears again, so we should pay more attention. So the share is in sideways, right? Okay. Then we see here, the time black hole appears again. We can draw the line and it can help us to judge where is the support and resistance. So we can see here, today the time black hole appears. So what's that meaning? It tells us that now it is the turning point. So we see here, this is a turning point, but we don't know whether the price will go up or go down, right? Because the candlestick didn't. So how to judge the price will go up or go down? So we can see here, if you see the time black hole appear, you better draw the line. And if you see the price can upward break through if you see the price can be supported at this point, so it tells us that now you can wait and see. But if you see the price below, so what's that meaning? You should be cautious, right? Okay, so this one is important. So because time black hole includes the 5 candlesticks, so you should see the 6 candlesticks. It is very important. And you also need to check by the volume. If the price go up again, the volume should increase. If the volume decrease, you cannot get in because volume is the confirmation signal. Okay. Then we can see, last time I already showed you what's the wave theory. The wave theory is like that. I didn't know whether you can still remember or not. Because this is the wave 1, okay? So this is the wave 2. The wave 2 may be here, then go up again. This is the wave 3, then wave 4. And this low point should be higher than this high point. So the wave 5. This one is the rising phase is the largest. Okay, so we can see the market. So we see here. For the short term, if we see the short term this is the wave 1, right? The wave 2, the wave 3, wave 4, and the wave 5. But this is for the short term, okay? So we can cut the wave theory like this. Then this is the A, B, see, but we don't know, right? We don't know in the future. We cannot judge the future trend. This is a small trend, but if we judge the long term, so we see here, can we take as this is a wave 1, and this is a wave 2, right? But if you see, if the price fall below this one, fall below this support line, you should see if the fall below this low point, it tells you that the wave 2 cannot complete, the wave theory cannot complete, right? So you should be cautious. And we see here, now this is the market index. So we know that this is the support, right? And we see some recently there have some strong stocks like this one. This one is strong or not? It's quite strong, right? Okay, so we see here. So please remember, this one is very important. I always taught members that you should pay more attention to those stocks which can create a new high, and never buy stocks will always hit a new low. Can you understand? Okay. If you see the price can upward break through if you see the price can create a new high on high volume, it tells you that the uptrend can be continued. But if you see here, so why I say this stock is strong? So we see here, this one, the price drop, the price upward breaks through the previous high point, create a new high again, and on high volume. So what that mean? It tells you that this is a strong stock. Maybe you can find some good chance to get in. So we see another day. If you see the price go down, right? So we can see the volume decrease or increase. If the volume decrease, it tells you that this is a normal correction. You have another chance to get in. But if you see the price like this, the price went down on high volume, it's good or not? It's not good. You'd better not buy, okay? But we can see here, it tells you that this is a normal correction. Maybe you have another chance to get in. Then if you see the price go up again, you can buy. Then if you buy, you still can keep. Okay, so we see here. So we can see this one. The price go down, right? And the volume increase. So what's that meaning? If you do short-term trend, if you do short-term trading, you'd better sell your stocks, right? Okay, then if you see another, then this is the correction, right? If you see another day, the price upward breaks through a new high again. So here, the price upward, the price creates a new high again, and we can see here. So buy or not? On high volume, so buy or not? You can buy because you should remember this is very important. Pay more attention to the stocks which can create a new high. Okay, because many investors like to buy the stock which is in the downtrend. Because if you see the price, last time I showed you, so you see the price is $2 down to $1. Another stock, $1 go up to $2. Many investors will choose this one because the lower cost, right? But if you see here, if the price up the candlestick, the price upward breaks through the resistance point on high volume, this is another chance to get in. Then you buy, then if you can make some profit, a small profit. We can see here, the price went down and the volume decreased or increased. Decrease, right? What that means? This is a normal correction, but you should remember here. The price, the high point is higher, volume decrease or increase? Decrease. So if you want to buy, it's good chance or not? Not very good, okay? Then what's the difference? Because we see here, the price up, then the volume increase. The price up, the volume increase. But if you see the price up, the volume decrease. So it tells you that it's not good, okay? So if you want to buy this stock, you miss a good chance, you should choose another one, okay? So this is the best word. Then we can see another one, CWT. So we can see this stock. Firstly, let's see the stock. The trend is good or not. Yes, it's good, right? Because the low point is higher. But we should be careful. Where is the resistance? Here is the resistance, right? Okay. So, if the price didn't create a new high, we'd better wait and see. If the price can upward break if the price can create a new high again on high volume, maybe we have another chance. Then we can see this one. This is the QMM. Okay, so let's see this stock. So we can see, firstly, let's see the overall trend. The overall trend is downtrend or uptrend. Okay, so firstly, let's judge. The high point. For this period, downtrend or uptrend? Downtrend, okay. But we see here, because the downtrend will change to uptrend, the uptrend will change to downtrend, okay. So we can see here the low point is higher, right? The high point higher, downtrend or uptrend? Uptrend, okay. So we can see another one. This one is called Jambu. Several days ago, several weeks ago, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, I posted 3 stocks on my Facebook. The 2 are Malaysia stocks, and one is Singapore stock. Which one? I posted this one. Okay, but I didn't. I can show you my Facebook, and I posted this one. So later I will show you the Facebook. And maybe around this one, I post this stock. Why I choose this day? Around this day, I posted this stock. So why I choose this day? So what's the difference? This is the previous high point, right? And this is the price after breakthrough created a new high or not? Yes, right. And on high volume, right? So what's that meaning? The uptrend will continue, right? So you should wait. Then the price drop down and the volume decrease. The normal pressure, right? If the price can go up again on high volume, increase the volume, you can buy again. So here, wait and see, right? Okay, so see here, can we buy or not? Why? Because the price go up, right? If you cannot confirm, this day can buy or not? Yes, the price go up, the volume increase. So we see here. So you can buy. Then if you buy around here, can we earn money or not? Yes, we can earn money. But we see here, if you miss the good chance, we just not today. One member asked me in my group that he asked me that whether this stock can be another best word. What's the difference? We can compare, right? So firstly, let's use chart comparison to judge what's the difference. Okay, last time I showed you how to judge the share is strong. So why I choose this stock? Firstly, we can see the market go down, right? The share go down or sideways? Sideways. The stronger the index, right? Okay, then we can use another best word to judge whether it's good or not. What's the difference? So we can see what's the difference between these stocks. From the chart, what's the difference? Can you see clearly? Because this one, the price go up steadily, right? Steadily, right? Steadily. But with this one, this best word, is more stable than this stock, right? Okay. So if you want to check whether still have chance or not, so we see if you see the price has some correction, then go up again. Maybe you can find another chance to get in, right? Okay, so firstly, let's see some high volume stocks, because every day you can choose high volume. You can find some strong stocks from the high volume stocks. Okay, so every day we check by the volume and check the chart pattern and compare with the SPI index, so you can judge whether this stock is stronger or not. Okay, so let's see this one. So right click volume, then we can see the biggest volume, the high volume. So this one is good or not? Not good. We choose another one. This one is good or not? This share is called easy one, right? Last time the share is suitable for short-term trading. Okay, so we can see here what's the difference. Last time I don't know whether you can guess it or not. Okay, so we see here the price drop right and on high volume, good or not? If you see the candlestick like this, you'd better clear out your stock, because tell you that if the price drop on high volume, you'd better clear out your stock. So maybe you can sell another day, right? Then if you sell, you can avoid risk. Then you'd better wait and see. But now, can we get in again or not? Last time just now I told you, cannot buy the stock, always hit a new low. But we can see this stock we see here go up again, right? Then drop down, hit a new low, right? So it tells you that wait and see, cannot buy. Okay. Then we can see another one. This one, the volume is not good, but we can see this stock. This stock just touched the support, right? But if the price fell below the previous low point, what that mean? You better not buy, right? It can go up, maybe you can do short term. Where's the sell point? Maybe here. You can trade for short term. Okay. Then we can see this one. This one is strong or not? Today sharply went up, right? So what we see here? This is the support, right? Why? Because this is the previous low point, right? If another day can be supported, maybe you have another chance to get in, okay? But this one, wait and see. Average. Okay, so let's see this one. So we can see this stock. This stock is good or not. Okay, so we can judge the channel first. The high point, low point, low point. So uptrend or downtrend or sideways. Now it is in sideways, right? Okay. So if you see this stock is good for buying or not. So we see here, this is the resistance, right? So it can go, if the price touch the resistance, maybe we'll have some correction. Okay, so this is the stock. Then we say this one. Then return to our class. The basic concept of trend. The first one, trend is the direction of market movement, which is constituted of a series of peaks and valleys. So what that means? You should know the low point and high point. This is the low point, this is the high point. So if you know the high point and low point, you can confirm that the trend is uptrend or downtrend or sideways. Okay. So how to judge? Last time I showed you, you can use your finger, right? This is the high point, this is the low point. If you see the candlestick like your finger, you can judge this is the low point, this is the high point. Okay. So this is this one. Then we can see next one. Trend has three directions: the uptrend, downtrend, or horizontal price movement, like the sideways. Okay. So maybe you see here, if you want to trade some stocks, mostly the trend is in the sideways. Okay. The next one, trend has three gears: primary trend, secondary trend, and the short-term trend. Okay. The last one, the essence of trend, continuity. Okay. So this is the basic concept of trend. So let's see the next one. The types of trend. The first one is about the uptrend. Uptrend means the higher high and higher low. Note, the bottom elevation is the most important. So you should see the bottom, the low point is higher than previous low point. This is very important. If you see the low point is not higher, you know that the trend is not very good, okay? So the next one, downtrend. Lower high and lower low. The note, top lower is most important. So if you want to judge the trend is in the downtrend, you should see the high point. High point is more important. So the next one is about the horizontal price movement. The stock price moves within a certain period of time and scope. Note, the criteria is the reverse operation of top and bottom. Okay, so we can see this is the uptrend. I use STI index to judge. So how to judge? You can find the two low points, then you can draw the line, right? If they have another point touch the line, it tells you that the trend line is effective. Okay, so this is the uptrend. If you see the price drop down and fell below the uptrend line, it shows that the trend will change to uptrend, will change to downtrend. Okay, so how to draw the trend line? It's very simple. Tell you judge the trend line. That's first. Then we can see index. This is the index. So firstly, we usually use chips distribution to judge the support and resistance rise. So how to use that? So if you want to judge the support, you'd better choose the downtrend or uptrend. Uptrend. If you want to judge the resistance, you'd better choose the downtrend. Okay. So I want to judge the resistance. I can choose from this high point to this low point. Okay, so I use this one. Then I click CD, chips distribution. Then click undo first. Then we can see what's the biggest chip. This one is the biggest. So it means that the longer the chip is, the stronger support and resistance is. Okay, so we see here. We can draw the line. This is the biggest. This is another one. And this is another one. We can draw maybe here. It's a little than this one. Then I click CD, chips distribution again, and we should pay attention. Then the price go up. Okay, just touch the resistance. What should we do? We'd better sell first, okay, because you can avoid some risk. Maybe the price will go up, maybe the price will go down. We don't know, but we'd better sell first, okay. Then the price drop or down, drop or rise, rise. So it's the resistance. Go up again, buy or not. So we can see here, up will break through or not. Yes. So it tells you that we should see another resistance. So touch another resistance around here. It's better sell out. Okay. Then we can see here. Recently the price is here. The previous low point can help us to judge the support and resistance. So you can use chips distribution to judge where is the support and resistance. Okay. Then maybe if you want to judge where is the resistance for the maybe Yangzijiang, then we can see this one. Firstly, let's see the overall trend. The trend is good or not? Okay, then how to judge? The high point, downtrend, right? Okay, then we can see what's the difference. The low point. The high point. So, what's the direction of this block? Sideways, right? Okay. So when you see here, the price just touched the previous high point but didn't break out, you'd better sell first. Okay? Then if the price touched this support, maybe you can get in again. If you see the stock is sideways, you'd better buy low, sell high. Okay? So this is the stock. Then we can see how to judge. I want to judge where's the support. I can use this one. This is the low point, right? Then this is the high point. Okay? Then we can click shift distribution. Then we should know where is the big support. Here and here and here. It's the big support. Then we can click shift distribution again. So we should know that. Okay. Then the price drop here. This is another support. Okay. Then touch here, around here, another support. Okay. So the price just touch the support. So you know that didn't hit the euro right. So here is the support. You can buy low, sell high. Okay? If you see the stock sideways, you'd better use this method to buy low, sell high. Okay? Then we can see another one. Another one is, let's see this stock, OCBC. So I want to know that where is the next support, because this blue chips are followed. So this blue chips follow the trend, follow the market. Okay, this is the low point and this is the high point. Okay, then we can click CD distribution. Then we should this is the highest one, another one, and this is another one. Okay, then we should know that where is the next support. Then the price drops. Then the price is in sideways during this period. Okay? Then maybe we can see easy one. I want to know where is the next support. We'd better choose here. This is the low point. This is the high point. I want to know where is the next support. Okay, so we can see here. This is the resistance. Because resistance and support will be changed automatically. So we see here, this is another one. Yeah, so we cannot buy this stock because it's not good, right? Okay, so this is a support. So maybe this is a support. But this stock is very dangerous. I suggested that you better buy the better stock. Maybe the fundamental is good, the company is good. Okay. So YQ hybrid. This is hybrid. Where is the next support? Or where is the next resistance? Okay, so we can see here. I can connect the low point to another high point. Maybe this is a low point. This is a high point. Okay. Now I can click CD, shift distribution. Then we know that where is the support and where is the resistance. Okay, so this is another one. And this one. Okay, then we can click shift distribution again, and we found. So the price is like this, just touch the support, right? Here is the support. So we know that the price, the lowest price, just touch the support and go up again. So you can use shift distribution to judge where is the support and resistance, and you can use this method to buy or sell high. Okay. So this is the one method to help you to judge the support and resistance. Another one is this is the best word. Okay. So the best word, this is the biggest one, so we can see the best word. This sure is quite strong. So during this period, I just focused on the stock, and I said this stock is very good, and good trend is very good. Okay, so how to judge the support and resistance? Can we confirm that here is the low point, high point? Use your fingers. Please remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cannot confirm this is the high point, right? So we need to wait. Then maybe we should see previous low point, but we can see here, create a new high, right? So we cannot find the high point with better, so we can use another indicator to judge this stock, like to create a new high, like this series stock. Okay, so we can see another one. This another one, how to judge the support and resistance. We can use trend line. You can use trend line to judge the support and resistance and buy low sell high. Also can. This is the trend line. Okay. Then we can see next one. Moving average also can help us to judge the support and resistance. So this stock, if you want to know what the best parameter for the individual stock, you better use another software for choosing the best parameter of moving average. Okay, so maybe you can use this one. I want to know what's the best moving average, the best parameter for best word. I can use this one. This one is called black box expert. We can click this one to judge. This is moving average, right? We should click optimize. Then we can know that what's the best parameter for the best word for this stock. Okay. So we wait and see. So we can know that what's the best parameter, because we know that I want to use 10 days moving average and 60 days moving average or 20 days moving average. I don't know which one is better. So we can use this method to judge which one is the best parameter for the different stocks. Okay. So this is this one. So which one is the better? The first one is 5. The second one, the first one is this one. But we know that this is for long term, right? And this is for short term. Maybe we can use 10 days or 20 days, right? So I can click setting, then change the moving average. So this is long term, short term, medium term. Then we can click this one. So this is the indicator. So the red line stands for the long term. The yellow line stands for short term. The white line stands for the medium term, right? So maybe we can use the medium term or short term. If you see the price just touch the moving average and get some support, you have another chance to get in. Here is another buy point. Then we can see the price retrace and touch the support. We have another chance to get in. Okay. So you also can use this measure. Then if we want to know what the best parameter for the novel. This is novel, right? Okay. So good or not? Not good, right? Recently it's not good. Okay. Then we can click black box expert and choose the best parameter for this stock. Then we can click optimize. Then we want to know what the parameter is more suitable for the stock, for novel. Okay. So you can practice when you go back. Okay. You can practice. Then if you want to check your individual stock, maybe you can use this one to judge the support and resistance. I think it's better for the other similar. Okay. So we wait and see what's the best, what's the most suitable parameter for novel. So which one? 10, 20, and 112. Then we can click choose this one, 112. Then this one is 10, right? 210. Then we choose one, okay. Then 20. Click save, click okay. So we can see the long-term trend is good or not. It's not good because the red line go down, right? So it means that the long-term trend is not good. It's still in uptrend. Okay, but for short term, so we can see here, this is for short term. Short term is good or not? Here is good, right? So you can do for short term. But if you see the price drop down again, there or not? Sell quickly, okay? You also can use moving average to judge the resistance and support. Okay. So you want to know how to find the good parameter. You can use black box expert to choose the suitable parameter for individual stock. Okay. So this one is simple. Then we can see next one. This one is how to judge support and resistance. This one is called Fibonacci, right? So we can use Fibonacci to judge maybe just now the shares, the best word, create a new high. We don't know where is the next resistance. So later I will show you how to use the Fibonacci to judge the next resistance. Okay. So we can see this one. So firstly we know that, please see here, the S, then golden section, and the extended golden section. What does that mean? This one we can find the low point and high point, but this one we don't know the high point, so we can use this one to judge the next one. So firstly, let's see the golden section. I know that this is a low point, this is a high point, right? So I can connect the low point to the high point. I know that where is the support and where is the resistance. Okay, so this one is very important for us. Then we can see next one is, we can see some stock. We find some good stock. We find some stock to judge. Okay, so this one. Can we confirm that here is the low point? Yes, use your fingers, right? This is the low point. Then we can connect the high point to the low point. Click golden section. Then connect the high point to the low point. Okay? Then we can see. So here we know that here is the support, right? Then go up again. Just touch the resistance. So what should we do? We had better wait and see, right? Because you need the good chance. If you miss the good chance to buy, you should wait till another chance. Okay? If you miss the good chance, no need to regret because you can find another chance, right? Okay, so this one, then we can see next one. This stock is strong, right? Or short term. Okay, so we can see this part. Then we don't know here. Then I can click CD, go over S, then golden section. This is the high point, right? This is the low point. So I can confirm where's the next buy point, next sell point. So we can see here, the price is inside right here. Then the price just go up sharply, and we see here, just touch the previous resistance. So if you didn't buy the stock, can we buy tomorrow? No, we better wait and see. Okay, so we can see next one. Okay, then we can see this one. So we know that we want to know where is the support and where is the resistance. We can click golden section, connect the low point to the high point, and we know that recently the price is in sideways, but this shares have chance or not, we'd better check by the volume. So we see here, the price is like this. So it tells you this is a normal correction or go down. Normal correction, right? So you have another chance to get in. But when to get in? Just touch the support. If you see the price can go up on high volume, you have another chance to buy for short term. Because if the price just touch here or touch here, you should sell for short term. Okay? So this is our method. Then we can see this one. just now I show you how to use golden section to judge the support and resistance. Then we can see this stop. This stop is best word because we don't know where is the high point because there's no high point, right? And we cannot confirm that here is the high point. So how to judge? We can use golden section to do golden section, extended golden section to do this. Okay, so firstly let's click the add, then extended golden section. I can connect the low point to the high point, right? This is the low point, right? This is the high point. But this one, no. Then we can find another one. So we see here. This is the high point, right? This is the low point. I can then we can click extended golden section. This high point. Maybe this is another high point here. So we know that where is the next support and the resistance. So we know that where is the next one. You can use this method to judge. Okay. So we can see another one, average. This one we can confirm because this is the high point, right? We can confirm this is the high point. So if you cannot confirm the high point, you can use the extended golden section to judge where the next resistance and support for the individual stock. Okay? So this is the method, and I hope you can understand. Then this one. Then this is the red and white circle. Red and white circle also can help us to judge the support and the resistance. You know that if you see the price, the red circle, and when the price retraces to the red circle, means that here got some support. You can buy again, so you can earn some profit, right? Then we can see here the price just touch the red circle and get some support. You have another chance to get in the price go up again, right? So to tell you that red and white circle also can help us to judge where the resistance and support. Okay, so we can use red and white circle to judge. So we see here, then the price just retrace and touch the red circle and get some support. Maybe you have less chance to get in. Then we can see another one. Maybe we can see this one. So red circle has the support, and white circle has the resistance. Okay. So if you see the price reach front and touch the white circle, you better sell for short term. Okay. So this one also can help us to judge the resistance and the support. Then we can see the next one. This one I hope you can understand, and this is knowledge. This one is called Guppy count backside. So may I know whether it is the first time that you heard this indicator? Who is the first time? Most investors is the first time to hear this indicator, okay? Because we haven't heard this indicator before, okay? So what's the method? We can see here. This is 1, 2, 3. How to judge the 1, 2, 3? You should find the 1, 2, 3, and this is one important. 1, 2, 3 is like this. If the price is dropped, then this is a candlestick, another candlestick, and another one. This is the first situation. The next one is like this. Okay, so we see here. Let's first consider, let's see the third one first. Okay, so this is we should see the lowest price, the low price. So this one is lower than, higher than previous one, right? So can we confirm that this is the one? No, this is not one. So this one is wrong, okay? So this one, we can see this one, this candlestick, the low price is lower than the first one, but we see this one. This one, the low price is higher than this one. So this one wrong or what? It's not good. Okay, so we see this one. The low price. The low price is lower than previous one and lower than this one. So this is 3. This is could be count back line. Okay. So if we know that, we can confirm that this is the 1, the 2, the 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if you confirm that this is the 1, 2, 3, you should. This is the count back line. The high price, and we can draw the line. If the price can go upward, break through this one, buy or not? Buy. Okay. So this is the first one. So we can see another one. So this one is the upward break through the count back line for buying. We can confirm that this is the count back line. So if you see the price upward break through the count back line, this is the buy point. Okay? But where's the sell one? So this method you can use, you can check, you can practice. Use your stock to practice. Okay? So this one, we can see another one is 1, 2, 3. So let's see. Okay, so we can see this 3 division. The first one, we can see here the high price is higher than previous one, but this one is not higher, so this one is wrong. Okay, then we can see next one. Next one is like this. The high price is higher than previous one, and this one is wrong. This right. Okay, then we can see this one is right or wrong. The high price is higher than previous one. This one higher than previous one. This is the right. Okay, we should see the high price or low price. No need to care the candlestick. High price or low price is more important. Okay, if we confirm that like this, this is a 1, 2, 3. Then we can draw this line. So if the price, this one, if you see the price fall below. So what that means? You'd better sell out your stock, okay? Because you see here. So we can see here. Downward break through the count back line for selling. So you can practice by your stock, and we can see some examples. Do you have shares? Then you can give me examples, and I can check for you whether it's suitable or not. Or you can check by the stock, or you can check for the SPN index or also pain. Jumbo, okay. Okay, then we can see this stock. Okay, then we can see this one. First one, let's see this candlestick. So we can see this one. This one is 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, it's confirmed, right? Because the low price is lower than this one and then this one. Then this is down the count back line. Then we can draw the line. Okay, so this one. Then the price after the breakthrough, buy or not? You should see the close price after the breakthrough, not the high price. Okay, the close price after the breakthrough on high volume, buy or not? Buy. Okay. Then we can see next one, sell or not? Yes, the closing price. Okay, so one is another 5 points. So we can see here, this is the 1, 2, 3, this one can confirm or not? Yes, right, so this one we sell, okay, for short term. Then we can see here, but this one is not complete, not good. Okay, then we can see here. Then the price 1, 2, 3, okay or not? Yes. Then we can draw the line again. This is the next line. After the breakthrough, buy or not? Buy. Okay. Then we can see next one. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, right? This one, 1, 2, 3. Can we draw the count back line? Yes. Then we can draw the line like this. So here, buy or not? Strong, right? Buy or not? If you fail here, buy or not? Buy, then you can save money. So this one you can practice, but you cannot confirm that the method is 100% accuracy, right? Well, I cannot confirm, but you can check by your individual self. If you learn this method, you can use this method to check your individual self. You can practice, you can monitor, okay? Then if you think the method is good, you can use this method to charge, okay? So this is the concept 5. And do you have any question about this new integer? The new method. If you don't have any question, then